Okay, there's a super easy one on pie charts. Pie charts are super valuable. So here we have two very simple pivot tables. This one just shows the total number of clicks with button mashing and the total number of clicks without button mashing. Let's actually make a third one now that I'm thinking about it. Let's make a third one that is, come on, only button mashing. And so we'll come in here and we'll go down to our filter and we'll just say only the button mashing. All right, so now we're going to make three pie charts and compare them. So pie charts are super simple. Insert chart, and it almost always knows like that which data is good for a pie chart. So that's our first one. Let's kind of shrink these down a bit. And now, and again, remember, I'm not clicking the grand totals like we showed in the last video. So insert chart. It should just know that what I want is a pie chart. It, of course, makes green, blue, which I don't know why. And then finally, only button mashing. So insert chart, and let's make it small again. So what can we know by these three graphs? Sort of interesting. So this is all including button mashing, and it makes green and red the same, roughly, right? So it shows you the percentages here. This one is only button mashing, and what you can see here is that the button mashing really includes red. Our current hypothesis is that the vast majority of the button mashing was one time when somebody very diligently mashed a whole lot of times. And then this one is without button mashing, so getting rid of all of the button mashing. And then you see that the green is predominant. So I think in this particular case, given our hypothesis that we think most of the button mashing is just one instance of button mashing, that this chart doesn't have any good information in it except that there was one very unhappy person. Whereas this chart is probably the one that gives us the most information. Now, if button mashing was spread out and lots of different people did button mashing, then it might be more interesting. So that's a question that would be worth looking into. Okay.